Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on EMPORIA Smart 5. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox and click search, and now click install. Now you can click open, and here you can set this browser as your default browser, or you can click not now. Now you can add Firefox widget, or you can click not now, and here you can sign in into your browser, or you can click not now. And now your Firefox browser is installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.